How to create Scribd audiobook and ebook account. So here is step-by-step guide on how to do so. So let's get started. First of all you have to do is simply open any web browser and go to the scribd.com or open the scribd/ever and mobile app. Now, once inside the Scribd.com, you will be navigated to the home page. There you can see login option or sign in option available. Tap on it and navigate to the sign in process. Inside sign in, you can see sign up button available at the bottom. Tap on the sign up, and now all you have to do is enter your email and password, or you can register via Google, Facebook, or Apple ID. So I would like to continue with Google account because this will be easy for the future access as well. Then tap on the continue button available there and sign up to your account easily. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.